school is Cathedral High School. My school is best school in our town. My school building is very spacious and beautiful. I have many friends at my school where we study and play together. My school teachers are very kind and caring towards everyone. My school has a huge library where we can read books. My school conducts physical education classes once every week. My school has a science lab which is well equipped. I love to go to school because I learn new things every day.